How's everybody holding up? Alrighty. I guess that's true. Take it easy. Bye-bye. I don't think so. What's up? What the? Run! Whatever you say. Okay then, forward. Hang in there. Ouch! This hurts! I wanted to take it slow. Well, I guess this is how it goes. You need to relax a little. Yo! This is killing me. I'm sorry. No way! Sorry! Huh. Mind if I cut in? Yeah! Wait a second. How lame! I don't even have time to have a cup of tea over here. Okay, then let's get started. You know, with the battle. Holy mustard! Dashing Camellia! Steel Wasabi! Celestial Chrysanthemum! Deutzia! Plastic Pomegranate! Let's go together. Please, sir! Please, Miss Oyuki! I'm counting on you, Raven God! Please, Kirin-san! Namahage! Kappa-san! Nekomata-chan! It's flippin' and flappin'! Little sir, show them how manly you are! After him! Don't let anyone see you. We better go get it. Look for 10 of those, yeah? Just find 1. Find 2 of those, man. We should find 3 of those. Look for 4 of those, You gotta find 5 of those. Find 6 of those for me, huh? Go find 7 of those for me. Look for 8 of those, yeah? Find 9 of those for me. You gotta collect those, you know. Doctor, do it now! King! Sin, on you! Soul, it's on you! Ah, I just remembered. Yeah. That reminds me, okay? I forgot about it. Oh, that's not good, you know. Yo, let's avoid battles, okay? Nice! Keep it up! Hey, let's take that guy out! Let's get out of here! What's the matter? Take the servant to the enemy Master Ghost. Yes! The barrier broke! Ha-ha! It's pretty much in our hands. What you doing? Retrieve the servants and run to that gate, okay? We can't go anywhere unless we break that gate's barrier. Barriers can only be broken by the servants. It's most important to break the Master Ghost. Make use of your servants. Barriers can only be torn off by them. Your Master Ghost is in trouble. If it's destroyed, you're toast, you know. Yeah, what is he, immortal? Hey, average attacks won't be enough to take him down. No time to hold back. Use your best attack. You won't be able to win alone. Utilize your servants. Servants automatically fight for you, but you gotta tell them where to go first. If there's not enough mana, that's because your ghost was taken away. So go take the enemy's ghost. Oh my, that's one crazy battle. It's my turn. What's wrong? Hurry up and beat the ghost. Hit the Master Ghost, yeah? If you come this far, it's a piece of cake. You can't let the enemy's capture units go near the ghost. Protect your capture units! I'm gonna need you to sleep for a little while, okay? We're busted! Look at the map! Keep going straight, okay? This is not good. Are you done? We should probably turn around. Take a left there. Take a right there. Good, everyone's doing a fine job. Oh boy. Just the right timing! Laurel Edge! No changes over a long time period. There are gains, but there are flaws as well. The barrier's too much of a burden for you. It's better to leave it to the servants. You should be able to retrieve and resummon them. Well, it's not that easy either, but I'll support you. Servants automatically head toward Valentine's Master Ghost, you know? You should just, focus on combat. And don't forget, okay? Master Ghosts have barriers, so you'll have a hard time if you try to go it alone. Well, I'm impressed you noticed. That's called mana. Mana's your energy source. Well, I don't know the nitty-gritty, but it's an energy needed to summon servants, okay? You need a ghost to gain mana, so if you can control a ghost, then you'll gradually gain mana. So, in other words, if you take all the ghosts, you make all the mana, while your opponent runs out and can't summon any servants. You're beat, but don't worry, if your Master Ghost is okay, you'll recover shortly. If you can contain all the ghosts, your opponent's barrier on their Master Ghost will tear off. That's your chance, man! All of the ghosts are controlled by the enemies. If this happens, your Master Ghost barrier's gonna go, so do something! Now, give him your hardest blow while he's knocked out! They're finally going all out on us! Oh, and I think you can call servants besides the drill now, but you need time to complete a contract first. You can't summon some of them without one. Servants who haven't made a contract can't be summoned. There's so many things I need to explain, I don't know where to start! Now they're serious, but I'm sure you can fight them off. Use the organ. The organ is a power that uses mana to summon servants, instruct marches, acquire skills, and transmute items. Oh, and one more thing. You can see where your servants are on the map, but you can't spot your enemies. But if your servants spot the enemy, they appear on the map, don't you know? Servants will fight for you, but you gotta tell them where to go. What are you, trying to fight alone? Come on, summon some servants! You don't have much energy left. You should probably chug a potion, But these cosmic barriers recover the damage before your servants can destroy them. Looks like it. Okay then, let's do this. They summoned servants!